barefoot.
Put me on barefoot.
Fucking
I was
foods.
getting hungry. The
Fucking
food is
foods.
what we're calling it.
The
When we're
foods.
getting munchies.
The foods.
Niggas, we will homage that. Talking,
foods.
then we off here. I ain't fuck
Fucking
with y'all
shit.
niggas. The food is what I'm on in.
Foods.
You don't want it? Nigga, we just pop it. I got a fresh us and you know that I will wants it. Don't come true because then you'll get pop quick. Niggas holding tips, hollow grains when I off it.
Yo.
Nigga, please
When I
don't
roll
come
with the foods,
the foods.
better know every man's getting foods.
Getting foods.
So I
Yo,
am taking your jewels.
Jules,
I'm taking the J's too.
foods.
Better not come to my school.
Work.
Cause I come with the thing in my backpack. And you know it's already cocked back. So all I gotta do is off
That.
If you wanna
Off
fucking
that.
talk, nigga, come to my block.
Stop.
I'm in the back with the breeze.
Okay.
Come true, you will get it.
You will get it quick. Come to the LM. My shots are so warm, you don't wanna hug them. Please sit down, you're getting kinda hype. Little youth is wildin', talking with his knife. Hand is in his pocket, talking like it's on site. I will come through, dump the fat 9, black and white chrome on the SW. I will come through and S all of you. So fuck it, nigga, straight now I'm on the savage tip. Your bitch, she got straight ravaging. I ain't fucking her too long cause I had to lease it back. The man them got the 2 slaps. Nigga, you don't want to get 2 fucking slaps. Fools.
38 fall had this nigga us.
Birds, it's Humston.
When I come to your streets, best believe that I'm looking for beef.
Beef or the eats.
And I'm
Every
looking
man
for
is food.
eats. So you can call that food. I ain't talking about dinner, come to the food.
Yup.
You will get dumped with
Tools.
when I come on the bounce. All these niggas coming and they look lost.
Get bounced.
And my stay frouse. And my neck kinda stay flouse.
I look down to the hips of the Levi jeans. I see my shit got the Louis belt and fat knees. Stop talking, man, the J's on the feet. You niggas talking swag, I'll blaze off the heat. Enough said.